Hello children, today we start with a new topic, bigger and smaller numbers. How to identify a bigger number from a smaller one. Okay, now look at what Hamid says. First we look at the 10 lakh digits. If they are the same, we look at digits in the lakhs place. If those are equal, we look at the 10,000s place to tell the smaller or the bigger number and so on. Besides, we might be able to tell which of the numbers is bigger just by looking at the number of digits in each number. Now, what it means is the first thing that we should be doing is to find out how many digits are there in both the numbers. So, the number with the lesser number of digits will be the smaller one. The number with the greater number of digits will be the bigger one. This should be the first criteria. Secondly, as it is explained here, we start from the 10 lakhs place, find out in both numbers whichever is a bigger one, then go to the lakhs place, similarly 10,000, 1000, 100, 10 and units place. This is the order that we must follow. That is from the left, go towards the right. We start with the first question in the problem set 6. Write the proper symbol in the box. Now the first question, 5,705, 15,705. In the first number to your left, there are 4 digits. The number to your right, there are 5 digits. The 4-digit number is always lesser than the 5-digit number, and therefore 5,705 is smaller than 15,705. Next, we go to question number 2. Question number 2, 22,74,705 and 12,74,705. Both these numbers have 7 digits each. Okay. So the next criteria that we follow, start from the 10 lakhs place, that is your first digit. Now on the left hand side the number is 2, on the right hand side the number is 1. So naturally the left hand side number is greater than the right hand side number, and therefore 22,74,705 is greater than 12,74,705. Go to question number 3. Again both the digits have got 7, both the numbers have got 7 digits. So start from the left hand side, 3 on the left hand side, 3 on the right hand side, 5 on the left hand side, 5 on the right hand side. Next digit is 3 on the left hand side, 3 again on the right hand side. The fourth digit is 3 on the left hand side and 2 on the right hand side. And therefore, the number on the left hand side is greater than the number on the right hand side. 35,33,302 is greater than 35,32,302. Question number 4, 99,999, 9,99,999. The number to the left has 5 digits, number to the right has 6 digits. Therefore, the left hand side number is smaller than the number to the right. 99,999 is lesser than 9,99,999. Okay. Question number 5. 4,80,009, 4,90,008. Both numbers have got 6 digits. Now starting from the left hand side, in the lakhs place, 4 on for both the numbers. The next number is 8 on the left hand side, 9 on the right. Therefore, 4,80,009 is smaller than 4,90,008. Question number 6. Same method when you follow. Both have got 7 digits. Now starting from the left, 35, 35 on both the sides. 8 on the left, 8 on the left. 0 on the left, 8 on the right. The fourth number, the fourth digit. 0 on the left, 8 on the right. Therefore, 35,80,177 is smaller than 35,88,172. Children, I hope by now you're clear how to identify numbers which are greater or smaller than the other. Okay. We go to question number 2 now. Question number 2. These are word problems, but again, you just need to understand and should be able to identify the bigger number from the smaller one. The Swayam Siddha Savings Group made 3,45,000 papads while the Swabhimani Group made 2,95,000. Which group made more papads? Now, when you look at both the numbers, 3,45,000 and 2,95,000, you understand that it is 3,45,000, which is greater than 2,95,000, and therefore Swayam Siddha Savings Group made more papads. Okay, now let's go to question number 2. Question number 2. Children of the primary school in Ahmednagar district collected 2 lakh seats, while those in Pune district collected 3,25,000. Which children collected more seats? Since 3,25,000 is greater number than 2 lakh, children from Pune district collected more seats. Okay, children, I hope you are able to understand it. We go to question number 3. The number of people who took part in the Republic Day flag hosting ceremony was 2,01,306 in Pandharpur Taluka and 1,97,208 in Malshiras Taluka. In which Taluka did a larger number of people participate? When you look at both these numbers, 2,01,306 is greater than 1,97,208, and therefore we will write, since 2,01,306 is greater than 1,97,208, people from Pandharpur Taluka participated in larger numbers. Okay. Next, we go to question number 4. At an exhibition, the Annapurna Savings Group sold goods worth rupees 5,12,345. Nirman Group sold goods worth rupees 4,12,900. This figure was 4,33,000 for Srujan Group and 5,11,937 for Savitri Bai Phule Group. Which group had the largest sales? Which group had the smallest? Write the sales figure in ascending order. Now, ascending order means you have to start from the smallest and go to the biggest. Now, when I arrange all 4 of them, you start from all 4 numbers have got 6 digits. Now, you have to check the first number. You know there are 2 with 4 on the left hand side, and then you have 2 numbers with 5 as the first numbers. So, first let's take the numbers with 4. Now, once you write those, the next number is 1 and the number next is 3. That is in 4,12,900. 1 is the second number and 3 is the second number for the second one. Okay. And therefore, you know 4,12,900 is smaller than 4,33,000. Now go to the next 2 digits with 5 as the first number. Now, the second number is 1 for both. Go to the third digit, 1 and 2. Therefore, 5,11,937 is smaller than 5,12,345. So you arrange all 4 in this order. 4,12,900 being the smallest, 5,12,345 being the greatest. Therefore, Annapurna Savings Group had the largest sale and Nirman Group had the smallest. Okay. Now, we finished with problem set 6. Now children, when you write this exercise, you will begin with problem set 6, write down question number 1 and 2. After this, you will write the next topic, introducing crores. Now here what you need to write is, I'll first explain to you and then tell you what is to be written in your classworks. Okay. Now, 99,99,999 is the biggest 7-digit number. When you add 1 to it, you get the number 1 followed by 7 zeros. How do I read it? it is read as 1 crore. So if I start from the right hand side, unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and then comes crore. How do I read such numbers? 8 crores, 45 lakhs, 12,706. 5 crores, 61 lakhs, 63,589. 6 crores, 9 lakhs, 4,034. Okay, so this is how you need to read it. Now in your classwork, after you finish problem set 6, you will write the heading introducing crores, and then you can make 2 columns and write these 3 numbers on the left and how it is read onto your right. So that's all you need to do, children. With that, we finish with this chapter. Okay, I hope the concepts are clear to you. Thank you.